So if you're wondering why my tractor is leaning up against the wall here, this is a privacy fence that I kind of built for our pool last summer. And it's leaning because if you look closer, you can see I put these above the ground and I anchored it. I poured the concrete in the ground. And in retrospect, these posts should have been down in the dirt. And I knew that ahead of time. I just thought I could do it. I was trying to save some time because I didn't feel like dealing with doing it by myself, trying to get it straight and having nobody to assist me. So now the wall is leaning a little bit, so I'm using the tractor to kind of hold it up. And now I bought some corner brackets that I'm going to anchor at least 3 or 4 inches down into that concrete base and then into the wood. So kind of excited to get this done, see how it works. Last spring, I rented a lift because I wanted to do some work up on the upper parts of the house. And as I was driving back along this side of the pool, the yard is kind of at a slant, and the edge of the outriggers for the lift caught the very edge of the fence. As you can see, it extends out here. The old one used to extend out here to the grass. If you see, that post is still in the ground that I need to take out. But anyway, I ripped it down, so I had to build another one. So the second time, I did not want to have to try to deal with putting these posts in the ground by myself. I decided to put those little brackets down in the ground. They go down in the concrete, and then you just attach your 4x4 to that. Nope, those are great if you're building like a deck. But where you have a freestanding post that's that tall, and these things are treated so they're heavy, I'm not surprised that this wall started leaning once we got a good wind. What's crazy is it held up for the whole summer, but now it's starting to lean a little bit. So my plan is to take the tractor, push the fence straight, and then I'm going to take these anchors that I bought. Let me show you. So I bought these anchors. They go around your post, as you can see, just like that. And then they have screw holes. And then this portion here will mount into the concrete. Now, I got these at a local do-it center, and the hole here was too small, so I had to kind of wallow it out a little bit to make these bolts fit down in there. So that is a plan. So let's get started. Now, if you look at it, you can see the tractor is kind of holding it straight up. So now it's time to get to work. So now I'm going to take these bolts, and I'll make sure I link them down below, because these are actually pretty unique bolts. They actually will expand. So once you get these down in the hole, if you use your wrench and hold it right here on this edge, 17mm wrench, hold that, and then use your drill, it will pull this pin up in there and will give you even more of an anchor point. So right now I'm just going to get these down in the hole. Okay, now you can see how that works. I have a bolt here and I have a bolt here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my wrench and I'm going to put it around that bottom As you can see, now it pulled the nut up higher, and this ain't going nowhere. So just in a nutshell, as you can see, I still have I have 3 more posts to go before I'm done. Now, I'm not going to bore you with showing you how I do the other posts because it's basically wash, rinse, and repeat. I will make sure that I link down below the bolts that I'm talking about. Hold on, let me grab one. These are made by Yuki or Yuki, I don't know how you pronounce it, but if you look at it, again, once you get these into the ground, all you do is put your 17 millimeter wrench on here to hold this from turning. And then when you start turning this one, it will draw that little pin that you can see right there. It will draw it down to where you see that slot, and it will expand and will cause this to even grab even more into the concrete. I'll make sure I link these and the tools that I used in this video. Okay, just to show you the finished product. It still has a little bit of a lean, not much at all, but I think with these braces in place, I don't think this wall is going anywhere. See the brace there, another one there, there, and there. I think we are good. And you can see the tractor has been moved away. The wall's pretty straight. Now, it's not a perfect wall. It's just something to give us a little bit of privacy. I wasn't trying too hard, as you can tell. But, hey, I'm pleased with it. Mama's pleased with it. Make sure you like this video if you haven't already done so. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Love you guys, and I will check you on the next one or the next project. Later.